Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 4 of operations management. The direction is to the best answer. Question 1. Aggregate production planning focuses on decisions for what time horizon? A. 1 up to 3 years. B. 6 to 12 months. C. 1 to 2 weeks. D. 3 to 5 years. The answer for this question is B. 6 to 12 months. Question number 2. The level production strategy mainly uses which method to meet fluctuating demand? A. Hiring and firing. B. Overtime. C. Inventory building and depletion. D. Subcontracting. The answer for this question is C. Inventory build up depletion. Question number 3. The chase demand strategy is best suited for industries with dash. A. Scarce skilled labor. B. Stable demand. C. Seasonal or fluctuating demand. D. Highly automated process. The answer for this question is C. Seasonal or fluctuating demand. Question number 4. Using overtime to meet short-term increases in demand, avoid dash. A. Increase labor cost. B. Hiring and firing costs. C. Equipment fatigue. D. Worker fatigue. The answer for this question is B. Hiring and firing costs. Question number 5. Which of the following is a pure capacity adjustment strategy? A. Level production. B. Pricing incentives. C. Back ordering. D. Promotion. The answer for this question is A. Level production. Question number 6. Which of the following best describes a mixed strategy in aggregate planning? A. Using only one adjustment technique. B. Combine two or more capacity or demand strategies. C. Hiring permanent worker only. D. Maintaining constant workforce levels. The answer for this question is B. Combining two or more capacity or demand strategies. Question number 7. Scheduling primarily deals with dash. A. Long-term resource allocation. B. Deciding what produces over a 12-month horizon. C. Allocating available capacity to specific job over short periods. D. Designing production facilities. The answer for this question is C. Allocating available capacity to specific job over short period. Question number 8. Which sequence rule minimizes average flow time and lateness in a one machine system? A. First come first served. B. Earliest due date. C. Shortest processing time. D. Last come first served. The answer for this question is C. Shortest processing time. Question number 9. When customer fairness is the most important objective, which sequence rule is preferred? A. First come first serve. B. Short processing time. C. Early due date. D. Critical ratio. The answer for this question is A. First come first serve. Question number 10. The company wanted to improve its scheduling efficiency and reduces idle time. The best approach is to dash. A. Hire more workers. B. Apply SPT rule and job sequence analysis. C. Increase machine capacity. D. Use a chase demand strategy. The answer for this question is B. Apply SPT or short processing time rule and job sequencing analysis. The answer is B. Question number 11. 5 jobs have total flow time of 15 days. What is the average flow time? So here the jobs are 5 and the time flow 50 days. 50 days divided by 5, it's 10. The answer is B. Question number 12. Jobs have lateness value of 0, 1, 2, 6 and 14 days. What is the average lateness? Okay, lateness value of 0, 1, 2, 6 and 14. When sum up these numbers, these values, we get 23 divided by for 5 jobs, which is equal to 4.6 days. The answer is A. Question number 13. If total flow time is 50 and make span, which is equal to 16 days, find the average number of jobs. So average number of jobs, which is equal to total flow time divided by make span, which is equal to 15 divided by 16, which is equal to 3.13. That is alternative B. So the answer is B. Question number 14. If total flow time, which is equal to 36 days for 5 jobs, the mean flow time is equal to 36 divided by 5, which is equal to 7.2. That is alternative or choice B. The answer is choice B. Question number 15. Compare FCFS mean flow, which is equal to 10, and SPT mean flow, which is equal to 7.2. What is the percentage improvement in mean flow time? Okay, to calculate this, deduct FCFS minus deduct SPT from FCFS divided by FCFS times by 100, which is equal to 28. So the answer is C. Question number 16. A job due date is 20 days away and the processing time is 5 days. What is its critical ratio? So critical ratio, which is equal to due date divided by processing time. So the due date is 20 and the processing time is 5, which is equal to 4. The answer is C. Question number 17. If a job due date is 10 and the completion time is 13 days, what is its lateness? So the answer for this question is C3, deducting completion time from completion time due date. Question number 18. The total flow time is 39 days for 5 jobs under EDD rule, i.e. early due date rule. Find the average flow time. The average flow time under this rule is which is equal to 7.8 dividing this 39 by 5. Question number 19. Average quarterly demand is 100,000 units. Each worker produces 1,000 units per quarter. How many workers are needed? Okay, the answer for this question is C, 100, because we have to divide 100 units by the workers capacity, 1,000 units per quarter, so we get 100. So that is C. The answer is C. Question number 20. Cost of level strategy, which is equal to 870,000, and chase strategy, which is equal to 835,000. Which is more economical and by how much? As we can see, the highest is cost of level strategy. So the chase strategy is less than that. Their difference is 35,000. So chase strategy by 35,000 is more economical. So the answer is C. This is all about question and answer program. Thank you for attending this program.